5 Ancient Gardening Secrets. Americans forgot that still work today. You know, there's something to be said for the old ways. While we're busy buying the latest gadgets and fertilizers, our ancestors were growing food that would make your supermarket produce look like a sad joke. They didn't have fancy equipment, but they had something we've lost: time-tested wisdom that actually works. Today, I'm going to share 5 ancient gardening secrets that have been feeding civilizations for thousands of years. These aren't trendy hacks. They're proven techniques that'll transform your garden without breaking the bank. Secret number 1. The Three Sisters Method. Native Americans figured this out centuries ago: plant corn, beans, and squash together. The corn gives the beans something to climb. The beans fix nitrogen in the soil for the corn and squash, and the squash leaves shade the ground to retain moisture and keep weeds down. It's nature's perfect partnership. Secret number 2. Companion planting with marigolds. Ancient Egyptians and Romans knew that certain plants protect each other. Marigolds aren't just pretty, they release chemicals that repel harmful insects and nematodes. Plant them around your tomatoes and watch your pest problems disappear. Secret number 3. The Hugel-Coulter method. Germanic tribes buried logs and branches in their garden beds. As the wood slowly decomposes, it acts like a sponge, storing water and releasing nutrients for years. One setup can irrigate your plants through the driest summers. Secret number 4. Moon phase planting. Sounds mystical, but it's pure science. Ancient farmers planted by lunar cycles because the moon's gravitational pull affects soil moisture. Plant leafy greens during the new moon when soil moisture is highest, and root vegetables during the full moon when energy goes downward. Secret number 5. Natural pest control with beneficial insects. Ancient Chinese farmers attracted ladybugs, lacewings, and praying mantises to control aphids and other pests. They planted fennel, dill, and yarrow to create insect hotels. No chemicals needed, just let nature do the work. These techniques have been feeding people for millennia, and they'll work in your backyard too. The best part? They cost almost nothing and get better with time. While your neighbors are spending hundreds on fertilizers and pesticides, you'll be growing better food the way it was meant to be grown. Try one of these methods this season. Your plants will thank you, your wallet will thank you, and you'll be carrying on traditions that built civilizations. Sometimes the old ways really are the best ways.